A 92-acre site near Syracuse is now ready and available for manufacturing, agricultural, food processing, and warehousing development. Omaha Public Power District has an option on the site and has conducted site planning, including a Phase 1 study and soil reports, both of which are available upon request. One big advantage of this site is its unique access to transportation. It is adjacent to OPPD's Arbor Rail Line, providing access to both Union Pacific and Burlington Northern Santa Fe railroads. The site is also close to Interstates 29 and 80, as well as Nebraska Highway 2 and 50, which are adjacent to the site. The site is 40 minutes from the thriving Omaha metro area and Epley Airfield, and is 25 minutes from Lincoln. Being so close to two metropolitan areas provides access to a labor force approaching 700,000. There are more than 100,000 college students from more than 25 colleges and universities within a 60-mile radius of Syracuse. Metropolitan and Southeast community colleges are in close proximity and offer robust industry partnership programs and customized job training. The University of Nebraska-Lincoln, Creighton University, the University of Nebraska-Omaha, and Peru State College are also in close proximity. This site joins an area with a robust and diverse employment market, including employers such as Cargill, Honeywell, Frontier Cooperative, and OPPD. To find out more, please contact us or visit www.oppd.com/econdev.